Good afternoon, children. Today we'll start the day with the prayer. Good afternoon, children. You have studied number and number names from 1 to 99. Now we are going to study introduction of 3-digit numbers. Come, now we will study.
Let us learn about 100. 9 beads and 1 bead together makes 10 beads. You know what? A group of 10 things is called a 10. Now 99 is the biggest 2-digit number. When we add 1 to it, we get the 3-digit number 100. Let us see how. Now 9 tens and 9 units, that is 99, plus 1 would be equal to 100. Well, in the answer, under units place you have 0 and under tens place you have 10 tens. You know what? The new place on the left in the 3-digit number 100 is the place of hundreds. 100 means 0 units, 0 tens and 100. 100 is a 3-digit number. Now similarly, if you see the bags, 200 means 200. 300 means 300. 400 means 400. 500 means 500. 900 means 900. Now let us revise the concept of hundreds. For that, we will use the picture of crackers. You love crackers, right? But do you know that they pollute the environment? Alright. Now 10 tens make 100. That is 100, which is 100. 20 tens make 200s. That is 200, which is 200. 40 tens make 400s. That is 400, which is 400. 50 tens make 500s. That is 500, which is 500. Three-digit numbers. Introduction. In the empty boxes, write the number in words. Here we have crayons, and the next columns are hundreds, tens, units. Now we've got to write the number in figures and in words. Let us see the first picture. Here we have a box of 100 crayons and one more crayon, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 1 unit. In figures it would be 101 and in words 101. The next picture has a box of 100 crayons and 2 more crayons, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 2 units. In figures it would be 102 and in words 102. Now the next picture has 100 crayons and 3 more crayons, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 3 units. In figure it is 103, in words it is 103. Now the next picture. The next picture has a box of 100 crayons and 4 more crayons. Well, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 4 units. In figures, it would be 104, and in words, it would be 104. Now the next picture. A box of 100 crayons and 5 more crayons, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 5 units. In figure, it would be 105, and in words, it is 105. Next is a box of 100 crayons and 6 more crayons. So it would be 100, 0 tens, 6 units. In figures, it would be 106. In words, it is 106. Now we have a box of 100 crayons and 7 more crayons. So it means it is 100, 0 tens, 7 units. In figures, it would be 107, and in words, 107. Let us see the next picture. A box of 100 crayons and 8 more crayons. Well, that means it is 100, 0 tens, 8 units. In figure, it is 108. In words, it is 108. Now the next picture, it has a box of 100 crayons and 9 more crayons. So it is 100, 0 tens, 9 units. In figures, it is 109, and in words, 109. Now the last picture. A box of 100 crayons and 10 crayons, which means it is 100, 110, 0 units. In figures, it is 110, and in words, it is 110. Three-digit numbers. Introduction. As shown in the table, string the right number of beads on the wires. Write the numbers in figures and in words. Now let us see the first picture. To begin, let us count the hundreds. There are 1 and 2 hundreds. Now let us see the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And how many stray beads? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, which means 4 ones. So, that is why at the hundreds place we have 2 beads, at tens place we have 5 beads, and at units place we have 4 beads. So 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 4 units. In figure you write it as 254, while in words it is 254. Now let us see the next picture. First we will count the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. There is 1 tens. And how many stray beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 extra beads, which means 7 ones. So that is why at the wire of 100, we have 6 beads. At tens wire, 1 bead. At units wire, 7 beads. Which means it is 600, 110, and 7 units. So in figures, it is 617, while in words, it is 617. Let us see the next picture. We'll begin the counting with counting of hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 4 hundreds. How many tens? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and 1 extra bead. which means at the wire of hundreds there are 4 beads, at the wire of tens 3 beads, and at the wire of units 1 bead. So it is 400, 3 tens and 1 unit, which means in figure it is 431 and in words it is 431. Now let us see the next picture. Let us count the hundreds first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hundreds. Tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 1, 2, 2 extra beads, that is 2 ones. So, at the hundreds wire, we will make 7 beads. At the tens wire, 4 beads. At the units wire, 2 beads, which means it is 7 hundreds, 4 tens and 2 units. So in figure, it is 742 and in words, it is 742. Now let us see the next picture. We have units first. So we will count the extra beads first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which means 8 units. There is no tens. Let us count the hundreds then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hundreds. So at the wire of hundreds, we'll make 8 beads. There will be no bead at the tens wire and 8 beads at the units wire. In figure, it is 808 and in words, it is 808. Now the next picture. First we can see the tens, so we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. Now let us count the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hundreds. Now the extra beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 extra beads means 5 units. Now at the wire of hundreds, we'll make 5 beads. At the wire of tens, we'll make 8 beads. At the wire of unit, we'll make 5 beads. In figures, it is 585 and in words, it is 585. Now the next picture. First we will count the extra beads. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 extra beads mean 9 units. Now the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. Now the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hundreds. So at the hundreds wire, we'll make 4 beads. At the tens wire, we'll make 9 beads. And even at the units wire, we will make 9 beads, which means it is 400, 9 tens, 9 units. So in figure, it is 499. And in words, it is 499.
Thank you, children.